A power steering repair is complete when it involves changing the pump, rack or gear, changing all the hoses, evaluating and changing the cooler if equipped, flushing and replacing the fluid, and adding the all-important filter to protect the repair and prevent future failures from occurring.
We have worked to construct a line of products that best serves our customers in any climate. As a result, we engineered a 400% increase in the tested durability of our material to create a line of Edelmann Elite high-performance hoses.
Since we own our own tooling, we can enhance the design of our parts, and when you open an Edelmann box, you can be assured that you are getting the highest quality power steering product in the aftermarket.
As you can see, it has a single tube design that runs from point to point. There is no breaks in the tube whatsoever. It uses stacked fins just like the OE performed. And when we ran ours versus the OE, we got a very similar result.
It's not just something as simple as making sure that your inlet and your outlet match your hose type. There's a lot of technology built into the body of the filter. There's dual filtration technology that pulls away both metal and non-metal fragments.
We offer a full synthetic, universal, premium power steering fluid that is compatible with nearly every make and model, that is versatile enough to be used both for a full flush and fill or as a top-off to fluid already in the system.
When it comes to point-of-sale information, we leverage our suite of dashboards and other business intelligence tools, providing you simple, easy-to-digest reports and visualizations, giving you insight as to where product is selling, helping you dive into what is driving those sales, and then apply that knowledge to other areas of your business.
We have cultivated a supply chain that is adaptive and ready to respond to any changes locally or abroad. A full 91% of Plews and Edelmann supply is based in North America. Look no further than Plews and Edelmann. We're your partners in the future.